Square line. Identify the natural growth of hair. I start any haircut with this procedure. Our natural strand becomes vertical. I am still cutting the strand into strand. Hair should be combed out according to the natural growth. Don't forget about hair hydration uniformly. Divide those hairs that grow backward from those that grow forward. In order to have less tension to hair, I use a wide part of the comb, because on the crown the hairs always jump up and have more movement.